immersive and sounds like a true stereo experience. The iPhone sounds flat. Both the phones shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second, but the iPhone can also shoot 60 frames per second in this resolution. While I filmed this in 4K, unfortunately the video you're watching isn't exported in 4K, so you can't view it at its actual resolution. Both phones produce impressive footage, but again, you'll only be able to get the real benefits if you watch it on a 4K screen. You can also switch between the wide and the telephoto lenses during filming, and the results appear sharp in both fields of view. Moving to slow-mo, the Note does 240 frames per second, but only at 720p. So if you want full HD at 240, you'll want the iPhone.
So here's a tracking shot to see, oh, there's a sheep in the background. There's a tracking shot to see how the image stabilization works on both of these phones. So I do have them on a rig, but there's still a lot of hand movement. So see how it compensates for it in both shots.
Both phones have optical image stabilization for still images, but the Note uses a combination of optical and digital stabilization for video. Each phone compensates for handshake pretty well, but the Note is particularly smooth. But here's where I noticed the biggest difference in white balance and color temperature. On the iPhone, the image is warmer, which is much more pleasing for outdoor and portrait videos, but landscapes look great on the Note. The phones show big differences in low light.